Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. All right, today we're going to be having a quick breakdown on GBPUSD. All right, so we'll start all the way up from the daily time frame. For the past couple of weeks, we've been working on this pair. Okay, so I want you to look at something very closely. Forget about all the lines you see on the screen. Just follow what I'm about to show you. You see, look at what has been happening. First, we're in a clean uptrend, right? Creating higher highs and higher lows. And what happened? This is the highest point price got to, meaning we had a clean break of structure at this point, right? We had a clean break of structure at this point. And since then, price has neither taken out the lows nor the highs, which means overall, we are still in an uptrend. That's the first thing you have to know. Overall, we are still in an uptrend, okay? Because price has not taken out the low, neither has it taken out the highs. All right, now let's expand it so that we can see the current price action, okay? Based on the immediate structure. You realize that price actually took out this internal low, all right? This internal low. So as price took out this internal low here, you realize that since price took out this internal low, it has not taken out these highs as well, because this is the high that led to this low, right? And it is the same high that took out the previous highs. Okay, now looking at what we have, price started giving us an internal uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. All right, so this is where we had our internal change of character here, and after that we're creating higher highs, higher highs. You understand? And what happened? Price gave us another internal change of character. Are you seeing that? Price gave us another internal change of character. Now, looking at what we have here, we are expecting price, if it has to continue to, or it has to continuously respect the internal structure, we're expecting price to pull back like this and give us something like this. Okay, so that's exactly what we are seeing on GBP USD for this week. Okay, if price has to maintain the internal structure, then that's how we are gonna see it, right? That's exactly what we are seeing on GBP USD. So share your thoughts in the comment section while we move all the way on to let's see, GBP AUD. Okay, so this is GBP AUD on the this is Bitcoin. Okay, this is GBP AUD on the daily time frame. Okay, let's see. So this is GBP AUD on the daily time frame. Okay, this is the overall picture. Now, if you look at my charts clearly, you see that we have been in a downtrend. Okay, in a massive downtrend, and I told you guys, I actually quoted an example of what happened here to what we're anticipating on GBP USD, where price ranged around the zone, creating multiple highs: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven highs after a massive move to the upside. Okay, so at this point, price has crashed, and we actually took a sell last week, though I closed my positions on Friday. Yeah, I closed all my sell positions on Friday, and I made a sweet risk to reward. Okay, now you see, since we're in a downtrend on the daily time frame, there's a possibility for price to give us a deeper pullback. Okay, there's a possibility, but there's one simple thing about GBP AUD. You see, it moves in small ranges. So when price ranges around a zone, we are not expecting the price to just break above the zone carelessly. So let me take out this. We're not expecting price to just break out of the zone carelessly. That's why you see we had to take a sell from here, and it actually played out as anticipated, but it did not come all the way down. Yes, we were not expecting it to come all the way down. We actually made a 1:2.5, 1:3, something like that on this setup. So guys, for now, what are we looking at on GBPUSD? We just need to be patient with GBPUSD, okay? Because the daily time frame overall is bearish. Let's just look at the 4 hours. So this is what we have for the 4 hours. You see, price is giving us a downtrend in the 4 hours, okay? So 4 hours is bearish, which means even if we have to be selling, we are not expecting price to fall all the way down, because look at something. For those who are trading patterns, and you know I love this same pattern so much. This is an inverse head and shoulder. And since price took out the highs, has it come back? No. So this might be the pullback coming to continue to the upside, okay? Because overall, we are looking forward to see a deeper pullback on GBP AUD. Okay, so let me just take you back to the daily so that you should see exactly why I say we are expecting a deeper pullback. Look at what happened. This is the most recent swing high, swing low. Look at price has not gotten even up to 50%. So at least price should pull back to at least 50% for us to know that truly everything is intact. Okay, so that's why at this point it's risky to be selling. So if you are selling, you should not be expecting anything too much. You should just be targeting the neckline of the inverse head on and show that we have on the 4 hours. So that's exactly what we have on GBP USD. Now let's go to Euro, because the person who even gave me the idea to do this daily market breakdown is my friend Innocent, all the way from South Africa. He is a Euro trader. He loves trading Euro. Let's go to the next Euro down. This one is not, it's crowded. Awesome. So this is Euro for us, and Euro on Euro, this is exactly what we see on Euro. Okay, we are still expecting a pullback to this zone. This is actually the daily time frame we are looking at. Okay, but first let's look at the bigger picture. It is something similar to what we have on. So look at Euro. It is something similar to what we have on GBPUSD. Look at what was happening. Price was actually creating some. Let's just take from here. Higher highs, higher low. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is the last higher high that was created. And what happened? Now this is different even, because price has taken out the last higher high. So we've had a change of character on Euro. You see, a change of character on Euro, because this is the last swing low that led to that swing high. You get? So we've had a change of character on Euro. So for Euro, the overall trend is bearish. I believe we all can see. Okay, the overall trend is bearish. That's why you see now we have created what we can consider left shoulder, right shoulder, and a head and shoulder on the overall. Okay, now we move down to to 4 hours. This is what we see on the 4 hours. Look at this, is the reason why we are anticipating for price to pull back, simply because this is the last high that led to this swing low, and now we're expecting price to give us a deeper pullback to this neckline that led, because for those who have been watching my videos on this channel, I have a simple strategy where I mark out a golden zone. So normally on this trend, the golden zone starts from this low, or you can take this low to this high. So price should come back anywhere within this zone, okay? And that's why we are expecting a pullback. This is not a signal, okay? This is a simple breakdown. This is exactly what I see on the chart, so you can as well do your own research and analyze to confirm what you think, okay? So guys, this is what we have on euro. Euro is bearish and we are looking forward to have some good sales. But as of now, we can still be looking for buy opportunities, because I told you, if we can break out of this daily consolidation zone, then we wait for a pullback for us to continue buying, because what you see here looks small, but it's a lot of price action, okay? And you realize that we've been ranging within 1.14,000 and 1.18,000. So those are the two levels euro has been ranging within, okay? But as of now, euro is bearish, guys. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching this video. And if my videos are helping you, do not forget to show some love by subscribing, okay? And subsequently, I'll be sharing my screen. I will not record the way I'm recording. I just don't know why I'm doing this, but let me just do it for us.